Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn 50 action verbs in English, complete with examples. These verbs will help you to express yourself clearly and confidently in any conversation. Let's get started. Eat. I eat breakfast every morning. Drink. She drinks coffee at the cafe. Sleep. He sleeps for 8 hours every night. Read. I love to read books before bed. Write. She writes in her journal every day. Walk. We walk to school together. Run. He runs in the park every morning. Sit. Please sit on the chair. Stand. He stood up to give a speech. Cook. He cooks dinner for his family. These verbs are essential for talking about daily routines. Practice them to describe your day. Work. She works at a big company. Learn. He learns new skills online. Teach. She teaches math to kids. Study. I study for my exams every morning. Talk. They talk about their weekend plans. Listen. I listen to music while working. Ask. He asks a lot of questions in the class. Answer. She answers the teacher's questions confidently. Think. I think about my goals every day. Plan. We plan our projects together. Mastering these action verbs will help you to succeed in conversation about work, study, and learning. Jump. The kids jump on the trampoline. Climb. He climbs mountains during vacations. Throw. She throws the ball to her friend. Catch. He catches the ball easily. Push. They push the car to start it. Pull. She pulls the heavy door open. Lift. He lifts weights at the gym. Kick. The player kicks the ball into the goal. Dance. They dance at the party. Swim. He swims in the pool every summer. These action verbs are great for describing sports and physical activities. Use them to talk about your hobbies. Speak. She speaks 3 languages fluently. Call. I'll call you later tonight. Invite. They invite their friends to the party. Say. She says hello to everyone she meets. Shout. He shouts to get their attention. Laugh. We laugh at funny jokes. Cry. She cries during sad movies. Smile. He smiles when he is happy. Sing. They sing songs together around the campfire. Thank. I thank my teacher for her help. These verbs are perfect for expressing emotions and social interactions. Try using them in conversations. Open. She opens the window to let in fresh air. Close. He closes the door quietly. Buy. They buy groceries every weekend. Sell. She sells handmade jewelry online. Drive. He drives to work every day. Clean. We clean the house on Sundays. Wash. She washes her clothes every week. Fix. He fixes broken gadgets at home. Build. They build sandcastles at the beach. Break. He accidentally broke the vase. And that's it. These 50 action verbs will help you describe a variety of activities in English. Make sure to practice them in your daily conversations.